They're very friendly. They just told you,
Hey,
look,
No.
okay, just look.
you can have everything.
Too much friendly.
Hi, good morning. Okay, this is only Spanish. This is Monkey.
Only Spanish?
Okay.
Oh.
Hola, buenos días.
Hola, parecidas.
Monkey.
¿Cómo se
hola.
dice monkey en español?
Mono.
Mono.
Esa es la diferencia
Hola, mono.
entre mono y simio.
Bueno, el simio nomás es el gorila, ¿no? Creo.
El simio no tiene cola, el mono
Oh, claro. O sea, el chimpancé es un simio.
sí. Hay que tenga cola
He's just
y
thinking
el
it.
que no tenga cola. Yo no me sabía esa.
Yo pensé que el simio nomás era
No,
gorila.
los simios son los que no tienen cola.
Qué interesante.
Por eso que acuérdate que la expresión del Homo sapiens, que es simios, es lo que no tienen cola, que
Sapiens,
se asemejan
no,
a los
sapiens
seres
es-
humanos.
¿Cómo?
Homo
Claro,
sapiens que somos nosotros,
Claro,
no
claro.
tenemos cola,
Ajá.
en teoría, la evolutiva.
Claro.
Pero el mono
Right above
sí
that.
tiene cola.
He's gonna peek over at me.
Oh my gosh, that is like the cutest thing ever.
It's so cute.
Good picture.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, that's good.
Yes.
These monkeys are omnivores. They can eat anything. These
Okay.
are
Okay.
frogs, fruit, leaves, tourists, wherever they can get.
Goodbye.
Adios, mono.
Almost like Chinese, anything that moves.
So there's 9 of them? Okay. And only one came to see us.
He's a scout.
I think the other ones are more lazy, maybe.
He's like, they don't have any food.
So the name Capushin is not because of the coffee, cappuccino.
Yeah.